Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make your first app. Um, First of all, you're going to create your own project, and to create your own project you will see this screen. So now that you're here, you're going to go to you can main storyboard. Once you're into main.storyboard, you're going to get a label. You're going to drag in a label, then you're going to drag in a button, and a text field. Okay. So for learning purposes, I'm not going to be explaining this that much because I'll be making other videos. This is just how to make your first app. Right now I'm just aligning, making sure that everything looks well. It takes a while to get used to the user interface of Xcode, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be pretty good. For now, I'm just going to be turning on the simulator to see how our app looks. So as you can see, our app does not work, but our app doesn't work, right? So what we need to do now is add some coding to our onto our app, right? We want to input something on the text field, and once you press that button, you want that inputted text to appear on our label, right? So what we're gonna have to do now is connect our button, label, and text field into our code, okay? Now you're gonna drag in our label, making sure it's an outlet. Then it's gonna be our text field, an outlet, and the hello button, or our hello button is gonna have to be an action, right? It's gonna be a button. It's gonna be once you press that button, you want that button to do something, right? See, hello button tapped action, right? I'm just getting rid of some boilerplate code, and then now I'm gonna go to our view controller and make sure that we have a full screen, right? Looks like I put something there. So now that we have to do, right, well, create a variable called name, right? So for that name, it's gonna hold our string. It's gonna be a string, right? And I'm gonna make sure that it says hello, and comma, or hello, comma, and then our whatever the user inputs, right? So for now, I'm gonna create an if statement, right, to make sure that the text field has something, right? So now text field has text, that's true, right? If the text field has something, you want to display it on our label. So right now, if it has something, you're gonna add name, right? The variable that we just created to our we're gonna add the text field dot text, right? Now that we have that, right? What we have to do is we just want to display it on our we just want to display the name onto our label, right? What we have to do, oh, looks like I forgot the optional, so we have to unwrap that. So now we have to call the name label, right? Name label dot text. Dot text is equal to, or is assigned to name, right? So we want our name dot label is gonna have hello plus the plus whatever text we enter. So now we're gonna run our simulator. We're gonna enter our name, and that should be it, right? So yeah, we're gonna enter John, right? I spelled it wrong, and then I'm put John Appleseed. Sorry, John Appleseed, not Appleseed. You can see our, of course, our thing's gonna have bugs, but this is just the first video getting you guys into the to how to make an app. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.